Imagine a robot standing in front of you. Not a sci-fi robot, just a simple robot that can talk, move, and help you with tasks. Today, using this one robot, I'll explain what artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science actually mean in the simplest way possible, but with depth that truly makes sense. Let's begin. So, what is artificial intelligence? If our robot can understand what you say, make decisions, solve problems, recognize things, respond intelligently, then we say it has artificial intelligence or AI. AI simply means we try to make machines behave like they have human like intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a single technology, it is a broad umbrella term that covers a wide range of methods and systems designed to make machines behave intelligently. Within this umbrella, we have machine learning, and within machine learning, we have deep learning. Each level represents more advanced and specialized forms of learning. Alongside these, we have data science, which overlaps with AI in several areas, but also exists independently with its own goals and applications. If the robot can play chess, that falls under AI. If it can suggest the fastest route through traffic, that is AI. If it can hold a natural conversation with you, that is still AI. So remember, AI is about making machines capable of thinking, deciding, and acting intelligently. Now, what is machine learning? Now we move deeper. AI says, make the robot smart. Machine learning answers, how do we make it smart? Machine learning or ML is a part of AI that allows our robot to learn from data instead of rules. Rules are nothing but instructions given in a program. Earlier in traditional programming, it worked like this: programmer writes rules, computer follows them. But life is not that simple. You cannot write rules for everything. So instead, we give the robot examples. We give it thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, thousands of messages labeled spam and not spam, thousands of examples of good handwriting and bad handwriting. Then the robot learns patterns on its own. So machine learning means we don't teach the robot every rule. We give it data and it learns the rules by itself. That's the beauty of ML. Every time Netflix recommends a movie, every time Amazon suggests what to buy, every time your email filters spam, machine learning is quietly working. Types of machine learning. Machine learning itself has different ways of learning, but let's keep it simple. Supervised learning. The robot learns from labeled examples, like this is a cat, this is a dog. Unsupervised learning. The robot tries to find patterns without labels, like grouping customers based on behavior. Reinforcement learning. The robot learns by trial, error, and rewards, like learning to play a game or teaching a robot to walk better each time. What is deep learning? Machine learning is powerful, but the world is complicated. Robots must recognize billions of different faces. Cars must understand roads, signs, people, shadows, and weather. Systems must understand full sentences, accents, emotion, and context. Simple machine learning cannot handle such deep complexity. So we use deep learning or DL. Deep learning is a special form of machine learning that uses neural networks, structures inspired by the human brain. Think like this: machine learning is equal to robot learning sample patterns. Deep learning is equal to robot learning extremely complex patterns layer by layer. Deep learning allows the robot to understand faces, recognize voices, listen and speak like humans, understand language, drive cars, and powerful systems like ChatGPT. This is why today AI feels magical. It is not magic, it is deep learning doing heavy work. Now, what is data science? Now, let's talk about another powerful field, data science or DS. Data science is not a child of AI, it is not inside AI. It is a separate field but often works together with AI and ML. While AI and ML helps machines learn and act, data science helps humans and organizations understand data and make decisions. Data science means taking huge amounts of data, cleaning it, analyzing it, understanding trends, making predictions, helping business make smart decisions. For example, your robot analyzes your business and tells you people buy more ice cream in summer. Weekends have more customers. This product sells less, remove it. That is data science. So simply, AI makes the robot smart. ML teaches the robot using data. DL teaches the robot deeply using neural networks. And DS uses data to understand the world and make decisions. Now let's combine everything with our robot. In AI, the robot understands what you're saying, like, robot, clean the room. It figures out what that means and starts cleaning. In ML, you show the robot 100 photos of messy room and 100 photos of a clean room. Now it learns to tell the difference. In DL, you give the robot thousands of images and audio samples. Now it can recognize objects, voices, and emotions automatically and accurately. In DS, the robot analyzes 1 year of cleaning data and says, your room gets messy mostly on Friday evenings. That's analysis and insights. Same robot, four different abilities, each one powerful in its own way. So the next time someone asks, what's the difference between AI, ML, DL, and data science? Just remember the robot. AI makes the robot smart, ML helps it learn from data, DS helps it learn deeply like a brain. DS, sorry, DL helps it learn deeply like a brain, and DS helps it understand information and give insights. If you want more clear and simple AI videos, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.